Happy New Year, Mrs. Loletta Zamora Sorensen, my beautiful, loving wife. I love you. 2020 is our year, Mom. Love you. Smile. See you later. I am so proud to be with you. I'm proud to call you my wife. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, mahal ko. You are my everything. Happy New Year. Smile. Mwah. See you later, mahal ko. Love you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,